Okay, now for the guided practice. Let's write our formulas across the top so we don't have to keep looking back at the notes, or if we forgot them or whatever the case may be, there they are. So for lateral area, for a cylinder, we said it was 2 pi r times h. For total surface area, we said 2 pi r times h plus 2 pi r squared. And for volume, formula chart just tells you BH, but we said B is pi r squared times h. Okay, we got our formulas, we're good to go. Let's do this thing. So all we need, if you notice, is R and H. Number one, R is 3 feet. H, the height of the cylinder, is 4 feet. Let's go. Lateral area, we need 2 pi r times h. 2 pi, r is 3, h is 4. Type everything in but the pi. 2 times 3 times 4. That would get us 24 pi feet squared. There's our lateral area. Then we need total surface area. So it's going to be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. So 2 pi r is 3, h is 4, plus 2 pi r is 3 squared. And I am running out of room right there. So if we calculate all of that, remember, when we do these, we do not put pi in the calculator because it tells us in terms of pi. So you put your 2 times 3 times 4 plus 2 times 3 squared. If it's highlighted, you put it in the calculator. If it's not, you don't. So it's going to be, I need a pen, not a highlighter. It's going to be 42 pi feet squared. And then volume. Formula chart tells you BH, but you're a beast, and you know that B is pi r squared times h. So pi r is 3 squared, h is 4. 3 squared times 4 is 36. So we're going to have 36 pi feet cubed. Remember, when you put these into the Google form, you can do 36. If you don't know how to get the pi, just type pi for pi. Feet to the third power. That's how you could enter this into Google. "36 pi feet to the third power." Same goes for any of the others. 42 pi feet to the second power. Make sure you put pi in your units. Okay, number 2, a cylinder with base area of 25 pi and a height that's 3 more than the radius. Okay, let's see. It says base area. So area, let me change colors here. Base area is 25 pi. Well, we know the area for a circle is pi r squared. So if I divide by pi, I'm going to get that 25 equals r squared. Square root it. R is 5 centimeters. Now, it says the height is 3 more than the radius. So height is 5 plus 3, which is 8 centimeters. So the two numbers we want to use are 5 centimeters for radius, and then the height is 8 centimeters. Those are the two numbers we'll use. Which means we have everything. Let's go. Lateral area, 2 pi r times h. So 2 pi, r is 5, h is 8. We don't put pi in the calculator. We do 2 times 5 times 8, which is 80 pi, and then we're going to have centimeters squared. So 80 pi centimeters squared. Then we need total surface area. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. So we 2 pi, r is 5, h is 8, plus 2 pi, r is 5 squared. So everything but the pi goes in the calculator. If we do that, and we do it right, we'll get 130 pi centimeters squared. And for volume, volume is big B times H, which is pi r squared times H. So pi r is 5 squared, H is 8. So that would give us 200 pi centimeters squared. Or no. This is volume. This is centimeters cubed. So 200 pi centimeters cubed. Don't do like I just did and put square. It is cubed because we're doing volume. Okay, we have a word problem here. It says Abigail has a cylindrical candle mold with the dimensions shown. if Abigail has a rectangular block of wax measuring 15 centimeters by 12 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Can't read today. About how many candles can she make after melting the block of wax? Okay, so let's see here. We've got to find two things. First, we've got to figure out how much wax she has. How many cubic centimeters of wax does she have? So we need to find the area, or sorry, the volume of our block. So 15 times 12 times 18. So this, in case y'all didn't realize it, this is her candle over here. This is her candle. So volume of the block, 15 times 12 times 18. It's going to be 3,240 centimeters cubed. Now, we need to get the volume of her candle. So 3.4 is the radius, 6 is the height. So we're going to say pi times r, 3.4 squared, times the height, which is 6.0. Now let's put this in terms of pi for now. So 3.4 squared times 6 is 69.36 pi centimeters cubed. Now you may be asking me, but why? Why do I have to leave it in pi? Because when we do the last step, which we're about to do, it'll give you the exact answer. So how many candles can she make? Well, this is how much wax she has total. So this is total. This is one candle. So to get how many candles she can make, we can do 3,240 divided by 69.36 pi. And let's see, 3,240 divided by 69.36 pi. That's going to give us this long decimal, 14.8691. And it keeps going because we're divided by pi, and yeah. So let me ask you this. If, let's say you were at Walmart and you were looking at candles. Abigail's candles made it to Walmart. And you were looking at her candles. Would you be happy if your wax only went up to here, but yet all the others, would you buy that candle that the wax only went up to this line that I put? No, no one would want the candle. It's not a full candle. So she's going to just let that solidify again, and she'll use it later. With this single block, she can only make 14 candles. She can only make 14 candles. The rest, like I said, she probably won't throw it away. She'll just save it and melt it the next time she makes candles. But for this block, she can only get 14 out of them. Okay, that's the guided practice. Today, hopefully you thought it was easier than yesterday. You just need R and H and you're golden. Get to work. And if you need help, you know how to reach me. Remind, email, etc. Good luck.